You are welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to do something very quick and short. I'm going to show you how to use emoji on your Windows 10 PC. So I'm opening up the notepad here and you can see I'm typing, and now what you're going to do is to hold the Windows key down and press the full stop on the keyboard. You see it brings out a panel like this on the screen showing you all the emojis you can use, different ones like the ones you see on your iPhones and your Android. But I think it looks quite bland here because of it looks like a black on white. So to make it a little better, I'm just going to open Firefox so I can use the search bar to type it, and we'll see how it looks like there. So now I'm going to type right here, use the Windows key and the full stop button on the keyboard. You can see it comes out with color. Yeah, you can use as many as you want. Everything you want is there, and you have different options. Every symbol you want. Sometimes there are some symbols you need to use sometimes and you just cannot find it. It's better you just use the Win key, that's your Windows key, and full stop. It brings it out and you just have to click the one you want. You select it with your mouse and you're good to go. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. Till next time.